again second day they have called again for the examination. So
Okay.
I was busy there. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. So, you got any you have 3 months almost over. So you have applied on any job portals. You got any
No,
response?
no, ma'am. From 1st of March, we are going to apply, ma'am. As in the morning, we have discussed with the brother Nadeem. So
Okay.
in this week, just we are modifying our CVs, and we need to upload from the 1st of March.
Inshallah. Okay.
Inshallah.
Yes, inshallah. So, be like a professional. Start to prepare yourself, start from your dress for success. Yesterday we have discussed, if you want the feeling of professionalism, first you feel that you should have a dress for success. Dress for success means you should have a professional attire, then only you will feel like a dress for success. So for success, and be honest, and you have to, yesterday we have discussed about the roar and stars, result oriented. Okay, so your resume should be result oriented and relevant. Prepare like that. All the
Yes,
best
ma'am.
for your resume preparation. Make your resume as strong as possible. Make your resume roar like a lion, so that everyone can, in the companies, they will recognize you as a professional.
Yes, ma'am.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
So, and next thing is stars. Stars is very much important. That is situation task. So how to speaking like a star. You have to speak like a star. Means based on your situation, you have to task the stars. So stars, can you, Usman, please elaborate these stars? Mr. Usman, please elaborate these stars.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am. I'm actually, I was looking at that slide.
Okay, fine.
Um, just to
So
remember.
stars, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Starts is actually a problem-solving technique, ma'am. Wherein,
Yes.
it's a behavioral development pattern, wherein according to the situation, it comes with our goal setting, like how we set a goal, or whenever a target is assigned to us, so how we would be able to complete that
Yes.
assigned target within a time frame. So this will actually give us a stage wise plan if we follow it according to the star. So first of all, we have to take up the situation, whatever situation has got. As yesterday we were looking at the example of that big data, ma'am. Big
Yes.
data. It's actually a problem statement. So likewise, in real time environment, you will be getting an assignment, you'll be getting a project, you will be getting a task to do. So that is what is the situation. Then according to that situation, you have to take up the task. You have to assign the team. You have to build the team, or you have to break up the roles. That is what is task, and then comes the action. You have to start implementing it, start doing it. Each team within a project, they have to start implementing or developing, or they have to chalk out the day-to-day roles or day-to-day works that has to be done in order to accomplish it. Then
Yes.
before the deadline, we have to make sure that we come to cross verifying it, taking the feedback of it, testing it. So that is what is the result. So usually before the deadline, we try to finish it before the deadline, and then before the deadline, so that comes up as the result. And then in order to summarize, like in each corporate, whenever we do a project and we deliver to the customer, so we make a hard copy or a soft copy of a report, whether it is a form of a PPT or it is a form of a hard copy report, wherein we keep as a project accomplished. So wherein we start right from taking off the quotation, like assigning the works, and all of these things. So these stars is actually a technique where it in very high level, it will help you to categorize and in order to make you to do the work. So it's actually that, ma'am. Situation,
Yes.
task, action, result, and summarize. Whatever you have done, whatever you have achieved, you need to put on a report, whether it is a hard copy or a soft copy or a presentation, so that it can be helpful for you to show to your future clients, and it can be helpful to you in order to take up the future works and initiatives.
Yeah. And what are the effective techniques to prepare for job interviews? Be honest, be positive, show your interest, know yourself. So these four factors, you should understand these four factors. Based on that, you have to go through the interview. Be honest according to your resume, be positive and show your interest, as you have to prepare the questions for the interviewer. And know yourself, you know better than you, like you only, you know, like you should understand yourself. By then only you can present it very confidently. That is the fact. And today we'll discuss about the communicating design. Okay, so communicating design, like being awesome at design is not enough. So communication is a core skill for designers. If you cannot justify your decision and communicate that to the people who will approve your work, you might as well have not done your work. Means you should have a best communication skill. Then only you can present it to the other people. You can approve your work by presenting your work. So you should have a communication is a core skill for designers. You have designed something, you have in your mind something, but you have to communicate the things. So is a core skill communication. So you have to communicate the things. So that art you should have. Okay, how to convey the things to others. If you cannot justify your decision and communicate that to the people you will approve your work, you might as well have not done your work. Communication is a skill we can all improve. Things in seven things in communicating design. First one is understand the business. Okay. Second is how, in what way we should understand. So to communicating the design means first you have to understand the business. You have to communicate the things. You have to design for that. So first you have to understand the business. Like you are not there to make stakeholder happy. Your job is to solve a business problem. Happiness is a side effect of meeting those goals. Understand the business goals. Understand how the thing you are building support those goals. Define the metrics for success. Then second thing is set the stage properly. For this, why you have to set the stage properly? Why are we here? Where are we in the process? What are the goals for the meeting today? Restate the approved brief, problem and goals. Make sure you are ready. Better to cancel a meeting than waste people's time. Prepare all the materials you need in case there is no internet. Be confident. You are the expert. Make them trust you. Don't apologize. Be engaging. So what is the interesting angle? Watch for sign of engagement versus boredom. Ask questions to make sure they are following. Don't consider questions as change request. So why is the green? I can change it. This is the question. Sometimes the question is just a person trying to understand. If something is designed for a reason, respectfully assess why the decision was made. Guide the feedback loop. Feedback loop is a term commonly used in economics to refer to a situation where part of the output of a situation is used for new input. Don't ask ambiguous questions. Example, what do you think? Do you like it? What is the feedback or action you need in order to do your job? Make sure the stakeholders are clear about what they are seeing. Know the stakeholders' pet peeves and what drives them crazy. Guide the feedback loop. Sixth point. We are showing you a payment flow. Please ignore errors and typos, as today our goal is to focus on flow and to make sure that there is no missing scenario in the process. Seventh point is don't get defensive. Don't get defensive means when we get defensive, we make it harder to really listen to what they have to say. We make it that much harder for our conversational counterparts to listen to what we are saying. Listen to the stakeholder and try to understand what they mean. Stay quiet, never get mad and yell, but also don't sit there and take it. Present your arguments respectfully. Restate and reframe the problem according to their needs. So these are the 7 things in communicating design. First is understand the business. Second is set the stage properly. Be confident, be engaging. Don't consider questions as change requests. Get the feedback loop. Don't get defensive. So this is about the communicating design. And one more thing, like here we have in this how to improve your communication skill. So how to improve your communication skill, we will check it out this presentation to how to improve our communication skill. I will talk about few tips and practices to improve good practices in spoken English, developing understanding in discussion, listening, expressing, conflict resolving, interpersonal. So first, be a good listener and express the things and conflict resolving, interpersonal. Speak loud and clear. Be heard. Speaking is a decent loudness shows your confidence. Loudness and clarity are absolutely necessary while speaking to non-native English speaker. Least loudness, decent loudness. Don't hurry, don't hide. Okay, don't speak in a low voice only because you are not sure about the correctness of your English. Don't hurry while speaking to hide your mistakes. You can correct your mistakes. Don't hurry at all. Then next is look at me. Look at the eye of the person listening to you. Eye contact makes your speech more expressive because of the eye movements and facial gesture, more interesting because you give and receive attention. Speaker feels important. The floor or the ceiling or the wall is not the thing you want to look at. They are not listening for sure. Express yourself. Put little waves of emotions in your speech. Okay, are you using the expressions that you use while speaking in your native language? Your surprise, your confusion, your joy, your disliking, your enthusiasm. Feedback, use your words to respond to the speaker. Oh really, right, maybe, I agree, you should not. These small words will let the speaker know how you are perceiving in perceiving his speech. Physical gesture also helps. Definitely not appropriate in discussion with a bunch of people or in a presentation or meeting. Pronunciation plus accent is to you get these are the things you how important, most important is speaking clearly, pronouncing clearly and then correctly. Accent also most important thing. Did you mean listen to understand first? If you are slightly unsure, speak out the idea in your own words to the speaker. This is the proof that you have understood. Half understood idea may lead to putting unnecessary effort and more confusion in job. Did you mean magic in conflict resolution? Fourth by important, when you are in an argument or conflict, this technique helps seeing others' point of view. Don't get egocentric, don't get personal. This is very much important. If you are going into argument or conflict, means you are going towards personal. Don't get egocentric or don't get personal. Let me finish. It's important that you finish and everyone gets it fully. So don't hesitate to say, let me finish. And do not make someone say, let me finish. Don't interrupt. What if someone never stops? Never talk over people. This demonstrates a real lack of respect. By talking over someone, what you are basically saying is, I don't care what you are saying. What I have to say is more important. Handling the fault. Your fault. Take ownership of your fault. Oh, I was wrong about that. That makes you a trusty and rational person. Others' fault. Don't blame someone directly for his fault. Instead of, what you did is wrong, I think this could be done in a better way. Clarifying the context. Ambiguous word, number, idea in different context. Context depends on the person you are talking to. How related he or she is your contexts. Clarify the context if necessary. I have a problem in using Firebug plugin. Describe the issue. I cannot see the HTML element source in Firebug. Understand the audience. Use of jargons. Slow down and use small sentences when listener is not that comfortable with the language you speak. Use simpler words. Then blocking problem cause. If you are not sure what to say, if you cannot find the words to express, it's just a habit. If you are thinking something else while talking, take a breath, or you can say, excuse me, I will put another way. How to put it, how to say it, and take time. Use the pen, be an artist. Visual hints help understanding to a great extent. Use your pen and notebook or a whiteboard to express yourself. Draw pictures, boxes, arrows, and write keywords to show what you are talking about. Even mind map helps. Follow the audience. Is the audience getting what you are talking about? From feedback, response, from gesture. When in doubt, ask, did you get me? Don't hammer with the same words. Be creative. Be creative when someone does not understand you. Don't repeat the same words. Try different words. Try use your pen. Net practice. Discuss a problem. Demonstrate a feature. Argue and resolve. Internal team meetings. This is about the communication, how to improve your communication skill. Means you are presenting your whatever there in your mind, you have to convey the things to others. So how to handle these things, how to communicate, this is the art. Skill means is the art of saying the words. So you should take care of the pronunciation, clear words, accent. These are the things you should concentrate, because you have to convey the things, convey the problems you have to discuss in the team or with your higher authorities. So if you are going with a better way, you have selected a better approach. You have to select a better way and better approach in a, so you should have that skill, communicate the things in a better way, in a better form. That is most important thing. So these are the tips you have to take care to improve your communication skill. Okay. Just share your views. Anybody, please?
Yes, ma'am. Like,
Yes.
like, ma'am, listening. Listening, ma'am. We have to make a note. Like, some difficulty words will be there. To use that words, it will be very. We cannot while preparing sentence. We cannot use that words. For that,
Yeah.
we need to make a note,
Yes. Yes.
and we had to use in the real time.
Yes. Listening and expressing. Okay. You heard
Yes.
from others. Now you have to express it. So it takes time. So for
Yes.
that you need practice, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So then, and then how you will, if you are indulging in the conflict, so what are the manners of, if you are in argument or conflict, what are the manners you need to
Yeah.
follow? So here is here what is the manners for if you are in conflict? Here, don't get egocentric and don't get personal. This is very much important point.
Uh, yes.
And this technique helps seeing others point of view. Egocentric, don't get egocentric and don't get personal. These 2 points we should understand, and based on that
Yeah,
you
yes,
should.
ma'am.
Yes.
Normally in the conflict, like we will be, we will get personal only, ma'am. Like in very rash
That we should
conversation,
not, as a
like if he
professional.
is selling anything or
Yes,
just
yes.
mm, yes,
If we are going
yes,
personal
very
means
nice
it will
point, ma'am.
continue, it will not stop.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you will manage, suppose in your team, one co-worker and you have gone in the argument. So in what way, how you will resolve that? How you are going to resolve that?
Ma'am, what I have, according to me, like I just ignored
Mhm.
that person for more than a week. He will realize and he will come and he will
Yeah.
realize that he has done a mistake, and he will come and he will talk to me.
If
This is
he
the one
won't,
case, and
if
other
he
case
won't
is like
understand. Hmm.
okay, yeah, the other case, I will call him personally
Hmm.
and I will say that this is a mistake you have done. uh, Next time be
Hmm.
careful, you should not repeat that.
Yeah.
Like, don't take anything personally.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. It's good.
And ma'am, professionally we have to send one email to that person, and in BCC,
Yes.
not CC, in BCC we will keep email. Yeah, we will add to the management.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Good. Good point you have shared. Jazakallah.
If we are adding in CC means he will come to know, ma'am, but yes,
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
better to add in the BCC.
Yes. And this pronunciation essay, express yourself. Look at me. It's very much important. These are the rules.
Pronunciation is very important, ma'am. If we know good English, yes, yes. If we know good English but we are not able to pronounce means, ma'am, if we are speaking also, some defect will be there in
Yes.
our speaking.
Yes. Yes.
In the opposite side, if the person is very good speaker, if we are speaking with that person, then he will think that like he has very less knowledge, he has like he has learned very less, he's not able to pronounce, that bad remark will come.
Yes.
Automatic in the mind, the feeling will come up. Oh, he don't know anything. Like he is lesser than me. Like that feeling will come.
Mhm. So for that, we need to have practice. Don't speak in a low voice. Whatever you are. So if you have confidence, you can go through it. So if you want, you feel that one day you feel that you are not well enough in speaking. So try to change. So then only you can find a change. So don't like I cannot do it and we are not facing the people means it's not we should not have this sort of thinking. If once we have identified the things, we need to correct that and we should face the things. Okay, so that is very much important. Speak loud and clear, be heard. And express yourself. How little waves of emotion in your speech, modulations in your speaking.
Yes, ma'am. This is also very important, ma'am. We have to express ourselves. Then only the front person, he will listen with carefully, ma'am. Otherwise, simply
Yes.
we are saying, then just he will take light. If we are expressing, we are saying in a good manner. We should not confuse him.
Yes.
Then it
Yeah.
will be better, and we have to say some, but it should be clear.
Yeah. And that look at more expressive and more interesting also. And speaker feels important.
Many times I have seen, ma'am, any person is giving a speech, like professional person, then what he will do, he will not stick with one person. Just
Yeah.
he will cover everything in a Z manner, like alphabet Z will
Yeah.
be there, no? Like that he will
Yeah.
cover every person,
Yeah.
and he will maintain the eye contact.
Yes. Yes. Expressive,
But
interesting.
in one motivational speech, I have seen this one, ma'am. Like whenever you are giving speech, yes,
Mhm. And facial gesture also. Eye movements, facial gesture. So it's why I'm discussing means if you're going for an interview, you should take care of these things. Eye movements, facial gesture means you are expressing how you are feeling there, and your interest also, because you give and receive attention. If you are interested, then only you will give attention. Most important
yes.
factors: expressing, expressive, and interesting. Then speech, small words will let the speaker know how you are perceiving his speech. Pronouncing clearly and then correctly. Egocentric, don't get egocentric
Like
and
ascent was there, no, ma'am. Like it will take,
Mhm.
yes, ascent. It will take more time, ma'am, to get to that ascent.
If you speak now continuously daily,
Like we need to
and
practice a lot.
no, you should need to have a
Yes,
accent while you talking. At the back of your mind, you should keep in your mind that you should give your best. If you want to give your best in speaking, you will automatically inculcate this accent. Even if you are reciting Holy Quran also, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that you should recitation of Holy Quran, it should have some like tajweed, tartil, some essence should be there. Qirat, in qirat you have to. So that is a Arabic qirat, and then in English you can say
Yes.
accent. It looks, it sounds good. It sounds good to hear, isn't it? So it means you are taking, your listener is getting attentive towards the speaker if you have accent. This is the fact.
Yes, ma'am.
As a speaker, if you have accent, then the listener get the attention towards the speaker. And that is why while speaking, if you have modulation in your speaking, high pitch, low pitch, and expressing, so means you are attracting the listener by doing this in your speaking. And gestures and expressing, these are the factors if you are communicating. So they will not feel bored. They will like
Yes,
continuously
ma'am.
we are watching movie 3 hours, okay? Just you are listening, you are not speaking. So in 1 hour and half an hour, why you feel bored? Because if the speaker is not concentrating, not taking care of the things, that how it should be a good speaker. Some interesting, expressive, interesting topic. Interest, it has to develop the interest in the topic, and interactive. Then what else? Interactive session it should be. Then interesting, then expressive. Express. Real thing you have to express. Express with the audience. Express with the people. Then only interaction will be there. Then proof, never talk over people. This demonstrates a real lack of respect. By talking over someone, what you are basically saying is, I don't care what you are saying, what I have to say is more important. This is also, don't in your talk, don't point others over people. General talk.
Yes,
Handling
ma'am.
the,
But ma'am,
yes,
nowadays everyone is following this only, ma'am. Like, yeah, two persons are just in conversation. They will be talking about the third person.
mhm. Like
But as per
exactly.
Islam, also we should not talk about the third person. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. In his absence, we should not never talk over people. Yes, it's very true. Intellectual people, they never talk over
yes,
people. Intellectual people, they talk on facts. So that is the
yes,
scholars, they talk on facts. So this is the very good saying, like we should like, if we talk on people, nothing will we can nothing will come to us, only the like, so you should talk in general. That is that is a fact, based on the fact. Handling the fault, take ownership of your fault. This is very true. You should identify your fault.
yes.
So that this you're finding your fault mean it makes you a trusty and a rational person.
And if we come across, ma'am, next time we will not do that mistake.
Yeah. Yes.
If you are doing any, it's yes,
And others fault, don't blame someone directly for his fault. This is very much important. Instead of what you did is wrong, I think this could be done in a better way. This is the way of professionalism. Others fault.
Yes, ma'am.
Then clarifying the context. In which context? Okay, the talk will be in some context. So the context depends on the person you are talking to, how related he or she is your context. Clarify the context if necessary. Describe the issue. So don't be in a like confusing idea in different context. Your words don't be in confusing way. It should be clear. Clarify the context. Then understand the audience.
Yes, ma'am.
If you got struck in a speech as a speaker, you got struck, so how you have to handle the things? Take a breath, or you can say, excuse me, I will put another way, how to put it, how to say it, and take time.
Yes, ma'am. This we will face many times, ma'am. Like if
Yeah.
if you are giving any speech, if in front of many people are there,
Yes.
then we will get tense and we will just forget what we have to say.
Yeah.
Many times happen with me, ma'am. Not in the speech, when I'm talking with the managers or anything,
Yeah.
a new person at that time. Yeah.
So tip is take a breath, then relax and have some water, then start.
Yes, ma'am.
Then use the pen, be an artist. So in a meeting or anywhere, you're in the gathering, you're listening. So that time make a note of each and everything. Or if you are a speaker, use some tool, so that it is very much important. Without any tool, if any speaker is speaking, it's look like vain. So it should be better to have some tool. Speaker should have some tool for understanding some interface, just like an interface that he is saying about this thing. I will also involve in that. Our ear is involved in the as a speaker is speaking, our ear will involve. So if you want to involve your eye also, if speaker is using some tool, that time it's very better, it is very effective. So use your you have to use notebook or whiteboard. Nowadays technology is good, so you are using your screen share on that presentation, everything available. Tools are available with us. Follow the audience. Is the audience getting what you are talking about? It's very much important for the speaker to understand what he has rendered. They have taken audience they have taken or not. So from their gestures they can understand the speakers that he whatever he want to render, he has rendered that, and audience has taken that. He has given the gestures that yes, what you are saying, yes, we are following, by giving the gestures. And gestures, and another way, different ways are there to get the response from the audience, feedback, response from everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Be creative. When someone does not understand you, don't repeat the same words. Try different words. Try use your pen. Discuss a problem, demonstrate a feature, argue and resolve internal team meetings. This is net practice. Discuss a problem. Yes, anybody want to share their views on this? Here we have a problem is a change for you to do your best. A problem is a change for you to do your best. So learn to listen. Don't wait for opportunity. Create it. The next, you have to over communicate just to communicate. Your career is your business. It's time for you to manage it as a CEO. Then avoid relying on visual aids. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Put yourself in other people's shoes. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. These are the very good sayings. I want to share these sayings, okay? Then try humility. Knowing your weaknesses is as important as knowing your strengths. Ask for honest feedback. Leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. These are the very good sayings based on this topic. Engage the audience in discussion. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Then don't write, talk. Keep your face always towards the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. Accept the fear. Success is not about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives. Then start and end with key points. Start and end with key points. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. We don't grow when things are easy. We grow when we face challenges. Use the PIP approach. PIP approach is purpose, importance, preview. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Then get to know your audience. Without positive attitude, success is called luck. But with positive attitude, success is called achievement. Then focus on earning respect instead of laughs. The greatest accomplishment is not in never falling, but in rising again after you fall. So these are the very good quotes. That is why I want to share this about the success. It's not about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's life.
Yes, ma'am. So true, ma'am. This
It's very that is why I want to share here in this.
like 10th one, ma'am. The can you show once again the 10th one?
This one
10th,
success.
10th. Yes, 10th. This is the 9th one now. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We
Yeah,
don't
this
grow
is
when things are easy. Yes, ma'am. This is very nice, ma'am. Yes.
yes.
Like we will be in the comfort zone, ma'am, when things are
Yeah.
easy.
Yes.
So these are all the motivational quotes, ma'am, that will actually push us towards working. So
Yes.
all of these are very important to develop our personality, develop our approach, to develop the optimism, to have a positive look at life, and to develop ourselves. So once we get into a corporate, and then when we want to become an entrepreneur or a business leader, so these are certain qualities that we have to look into,
Yes.
like our personality development. Our development is like a lifelong process.
Yeah.
Like it takes a huge time for us to inculcate all of these habits and to become a perfect. But whatever, like or in all of these codes, and in each and every code we can have a big discussion on. But in short, these are the things that we can actually implement. If we start implementing it, so we will feel a change in our life, like and the people around us will also eventually appreciate. There are there is always a probability, ma'am, like whoever tries to become a good, or try to develop his behavior, eventually the people will not encourage, and people will try to suppress you. They'll try to dominate you, and they'll try to surpass you. But eventually, in a long span of time, that behavior will not work. People say you have to be clever, you have to have a low ability to double cross the people, you have to have an ability to make fool people, you have to have an ability to convince the people by your words, you should have an ability when in an argument you have to win, you should not let others win. So these are things that usually people talk about, or they actually try to appreciate and encourage. But eventually those habits are like, they'll give you a short term success.
Good.
But for a long term success, you have to develop these habits that we have actually seen in these slides. So these are the actual slides by which you develop a are the abilities of a great corporate leader, a great human being, a great personality, wherein you know how to face the challenges in life, how to face the issues in any circumstances. If it comes to your life, you should not go down, you should stay firm, and you should all of your team, your family, every time in the life, it's like you'll be having ups and downs, even in your job, even in your family, everything. So in this world, there is nothing called as a permanent, like stability, you say, job perspective, you say, or anything you say, there'll always be an ups and downs. So if we inculcate and if we develop these personality traits, so it's the best possible way that we can stay firm, we can stay focused, and we can be effective and efficient and fruitful in our daily course. So these are all these quotes within themselves is a big message, ma'am. And in each and every
At
quote,
least we can recognize as a good personality.
yes, ma'am, definitely. That is what is like all
On
our
our-
great visionaries. They become visionaries
Achievement
by,
is
yes, ma'am. All the visionaries, they became visionaries by inculcating such habits. So a leader is who makes an impact. We have seen in the slide. So I'm getting like again the instance of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like his talks and his words, like eventually we don't follow, but when we read some of his articles, some of his book, at least till the time it is there in back of our mind, it will give us a boost, a push, and energy. It's like an energy drink for us in order to perform. So it's like it's always advisable that we keep some of these quotes handy, and we try to look at it at least in a day or two, so that we'll get a like some sort of energy and positive vibes to actually perform. So it's like very great, ma'am. Like it's very good point that one has to inculcate to develop the personality, irrespective of anything in life. But we have to have this properties and characters. This all this unemployment thing, job stuff will come and go. But alhamdulillah, since all of us are, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us we are literates, and God has given, Allah has given us the wisdom, and He has given us a knowledge and approach. So there has to be a difference between the person who is educated and uneducated. So this is what is makes the difference between a really an educated and a wise person and an uneducated person. So these are the things that we have to inculcate and we have to grow, inshallah ta'ala.
this is the success is not about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's life.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the success, real success.
Yes, ma'am. This is what is the real success. We have to grow with our people, and we have to make the impact. So that is what is the purpose of our education, ma'am. We want to
Yes.
it will definitely help you with your financial benefits also. But since you are knowledgeable, so you have to contribute to your stream. You have to contribute to the
Yes.
community. You have to give back. Always the habit of giving back, like the habit of helping, and the habit of healing. So it will eventually develop a lot of good life changing habits in you, and the people around you will also be very happy. Like
Yes.
this person is always inspiring, always motivating, always irrespective of the things. We have to keep going, keep moving, keep achieving. We have to
Yes.
set small goals, achievable goals,
Yes.
that is within our achievable range, and we have to think on that. So
Yes. Time will change. Time is now like this. It
yes,
will
ma'am.
change, inshallah.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Inshallah.
inshallah. Then don't wait for opportunity. Create it. It's
Create it.
very
Yes, ma'am.
true.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that is why I'm
If we
saying
wait for
that
an
you just go
opportunity, it
for
will never come.
entrepreneurship. You start
Yes, ma'am.
with small business, medium business, large business. It will develop from small to medium and large. So don't wait for opportunity. Create it. That is very much important. So your career is your business. It's time for you to manage it as a CEO. You
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
that now you are a CEO.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how you will
Definitely.
develop the things, how you will manage the things.
Yes, ma'am. This point, the more early we realize, the more responsible we will become. So as late we analyze this and introspect on this, the more time it will give us to become actually the responsible, stable, and
Think
get into
about
something.
Elon Musk, like he's in the top of the list of
Yes, ma'am.
richest man in the world.
Yes, ma'am. SpaceX.
So how he has developed his skills, so that
Like
passion you should have passion of that.
we have to take the ownership, ma'am. Then only
Yes,
the
yes.
things will, yes.
Yeah, correct.
And ma'am, one more thing, it's my personal experience, ma'am. Like whether it is a household work, whether it is study, or whether you want to learn any skill, like you want to become a fitness expert, like irrespective of anything, when you don't have a you have to have a burning desire. That is what is called as you have to think, then in any somehow anyhow I have to get it, I have to do it. So if we have such an attitude towards anything in life, irrespective of anything, so that is where you can actually get it. It should not be like a timely feeling, or a timely kind of tendency. It
Yes.
has to have a long-term impact, wherein it has to strive you daily towards achieving it, and it has to push you, it has to motivate you. So it's just like you have to have an instance there. This is my do or die situation. I have to do this, otherwise I'm nowhere, otherwise I'm nothing. So there should not be anything. So if we go with that perspective, and usually what we do is we usually tend to always scold about our past. We have done this wrong in the past, and always we'll try to we cannot appreciate the happiness what is with us now and also in the future. So always we'll be uh, scolding ourselves and scolding the people around us. So that is where we cannot that is a negative code that is actually stopping us from performing. So we have to come out of that zone, and we have to think that today is the time. Now it's the right time. The time I realize, now I'll change myself. Now I'll try to change the pattern of my life, And now I'll try to change myself with all perspective. I'll become very responsible, very time bound, and all the things that I'll do, will be result oriented. In that way, it will actually help us.
Yeah, inshallah ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keep you on the right path.
Ameen,
and,
ameen. Yes, ma'am.
make your path easy,
Yes, ma'am. Ameen.
inshallah ta'ala.
Yes, ma'am.
And leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. This
Leaders,
is
yes,
very good.
Yes, ma'am. These followers are created by
Real
YouTube channel.
leaders, they
Followers and subscribers. So this is, the leaders are the ones who try to make the people like them, just like them. They don't think of the competitors, but
Yes.
they want to develop a community of leaders. They want to
Yes.
develop a bunch of leaders.
Yeah. These are the very good quotations. Just I want to share with you. Okay. So make a note of this. I will share in the group also this thing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, that will be good, ma'am. Because, like, ma'am, when we'll be demotivated, no, if we read, no, some energy will
Yeah.
come. Some, yes,
Yeah. Inspirational.
inspiration. Yes,
Quotes.
Yes, ma'am. I remember we used to have a thought of day in our school. Daily, that thought of the day was very much apt at that point of time. Very much apt. We used to have a thought of day for daily.
Yes,
So,
a thought of the day. Yes.
Yes, the thought of the day we used to have. So just like this, it's actually the thing that keeps us going. Yes, ma'am.
Why everyone like to go to school? Like nowadays, no school students, because some discipline, some management, some sharing the things, thoughts, wisdom. So that is a human part. Like human beings should have that thing. So it's a like we can say it is a part of the life. It's very important for human being.
Yes, ma'am.
These days students they missed schools
Yes, ma'am. I
1 year
believe that, ma'am, because of this pandemic, this aviation industry and our educational industry, it has been a worst hit, ma'am. All the other industries and sectors, somehow they could manage and they could survive, but
yeah.
there was an immense loss. And then they had online classes, and but it was not feasible for all of especially in our country. It was very difficult, ma'am.
So
Somehow
environment is not there, no, like
Yes, ma'am.
home from home.
Yes, ma'am.
Have environment and everything. Physical presence should be there.
Yes, ma'am. Physical presence is what makes the difference.
Yeah.
ma'am. This is yesterday's news, ma'am. Like here in Telangana, up to from sixth class, the schools has been opened for this academic year.
Yeah. So yes,
Like previously, they said 9th and 10th only, no?
then
Just
9th,
yesterday
10th
we
they have opened from February.
January.
February,
Yes.
no, this month
February.
only they have opened.
Again, yesterday's news only, ma'am. From sixth class also they are opening.
Yeah, they are opening from 24th February.
Okay.
From
Means
24th
today only.
February, they are opening from 6 standards. But,
Yes.
but in Aurangabad, like in Maharashtra, they have opened after 26 January, they have opened from 5th standard. In December, they have opened in December, they have opened 9th, 10th, and from January, they have opened 6 standards. But now they have closed all of a sudden because of strain in the COVID.
Yes, ma'am.
Like ma'am, there will be 3 waves, ma'am. Like first and second has been completed. This is the third wave they are saying.
We are going towards summer, no?
Yes, ma'am. Summer, summers are up. Yes, ma'am. Usually in the mid of March, we will be having the summers. Already the fruit of the summer has arrived in Hyderabad market.
Yeah.
We could see the fruit of summer.
1 month back only I can see that.
But we don't know. We are eventually getting all the things every time these days.
Strain in COVID that it has 7 symptoms. Before COVID is 3, like temperature, fever, cold and cough here. Now conjunctives, eyes and rash, diarrhea, some 7
symptoms.
7
yes,
symptoms.
May Allah protect all of us. Yes, ma'am.
So now it's now now I am going to school offline also I am doing, But today, because of today I'm not feeling good, I took a leave. So students also didn't turn up, it seems, because nowadays they are making like tight, like they have closed no all of a sudden.
Yes, ma'am.
This schools
Yes,
also only
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
only 10th standard is running.
Yes, ma'am. In Maharashtra, I heard again the government of Maharashtra have also given the guidelines. Why? Because Maharashtra has got one of the biggest
Yeah.
population base and
Yes.
non-locals base over there. So in order to make the movement, that Maharashtrian government has decided to enforce some lockdown or something.
And gathering also 50 members only, and that too lockdown from 7 o'clock in some
Yes,
districts
yes,
like
ma'am. But
Nagpur.
yes, ma'am. But in eventually in Hyderabad, ma'am, nobody is following this COVID norms, ma'am. Like people have forgotten. Even despite looking at the news daily, it's very good that Allah has protected you from that disease, and may Allah protect all.
Yes.
But there has to be some sense of responsibility. But still, the people they are, it shows their carelessness still. Like all the habits of COVID during the lockdown, everything the people have forgot.
Yes, yes. Here also same thing. But if they see news and WhatsApp like that,
Yes, ma'am.
it's a reminder for them,
Yes, ma'am.
because it's a psychological effect also they are getting if
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
watching that. That's why they are ignoring, I think so.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay, we'll stop here. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll meet.
Inshallah, ma'am.
I will.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah.
Yes, inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you, ma'am.